Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Begin by building a structured 6-month plan that balances theory, practice, and revision. Commit to daily focused study of 4 to 6 hours and one longer review session each weekend. Allocate subjects by Aiims nursing weightage and rotate topics every 2 to 3 days to maintain retention and avoid burnout. Set clear monthly milestones tied to completed chapters and timed subject tests, and use a checklist to measure progress so you can adjust study hours or focus areas promptly when targets are missed. Prioritize core subjects: anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, microbiology, and community health, then fit specialty nursing topics and applied skills. Practice 2 full-length mock tests weekly, increasing to 3 mocks per week in the final 2 months to build stamina and time management. Aim to solve between 1,000 and 1,500 quality MCQs overall, carefully review each explanation, and maintain an error log to track recurring mistakes, and allocate extra review to weak topics in subsequent study cycles. Reserve the last 2 weeks for rapid revision. Consolidate handwritten notes, flashcards, and high-yield facts rather than starting new chapters. Prioritize wellness: sleep 7 to 8 hours each night, perform light exercise, maintain hydration, and avoid introducing new topics in the final 72 hours to reduce anxiety. On exam day, arrive 60 minutes early with your ID and admit card. Carry a light snack and water. Follow time allocation per section, and use calm breathing techniques to manage stress while maintaining steady pace and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.